If someone is trying to pay you through PayPal, they can always look up your account by the email you're using with your PayPal account. But there's also a better and easier way to do it. You can request money by sending someone a link, so they don't need to look up your account or worry about sending money to the wrong person. Go to the PayPal app on your phone, and then on the bottom we'll tap Send and Request. You'll see suggested contacts on this page, and on the very top you should see an option to send and request money with a link. If that doesn't show for some reason, you can also go to the search bar, and the link option should be available there as well. To create a link, we'll first type in the amount and currency. You can also add a note so your recipient knows what this request is for. Then we'll tap Request, and we'll get a review of the request. That's pretty much it. You'll tap Create PayPal Link, and the link will be created. You can then share the link by texting, emailing, or you can copy-paste it, whatever fits your needs. I'll copy the link, I'll text it to my friend, and they can open and pay on their phone or computer. Doesn't matter. And this is how the link will look like on their end. The money goes automatically to your PayPal account, so there's no stress about finding the right user and wondering if the money goes to the right person. You can also show or send people a QR code, which they can then open by pointing their phone's camera to it, and they'll be automatically taken to a page where they can send money to you. Go to the PayPal app and tap the little QR code button in the top right corner. Here you can scan other people's codes or create your own. I'll go to the Your Code tab, and here's my QR code. I can either show this to someone on my phone screen, or I can use the download button below and then send the code to someone. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.